You're gonna knock that over. This is new. Our handyman had to pull it out of the bathroom to fix our toilet, which he broke. I had to remove the glass pieces. You just gonna have a seat? Say hi. 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 Do you see Daddy? Say Daddy. 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 What other word do you know? Hot. 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 That. Say that. 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 Yeah.